Cool.
Flight sticks are selling out after the release of Microsoft Flight Simulator. So your favorite portion of the show, Simulator Talk. Simulator Talk with Willie Doo.
Baby.
You know, you told me something really weird today.
What is that?
That you love to watch the flight simulator, but you don't want to play the flight simulator.
I mean, I'll definitely try it.
Explain yourself, Willie Doo.
I feel like with the simulator, you have to have the right equipment. I got to talk to Microsoft and get like a flight stick.
Yeah, because you can't buy one because they're sold out.
Yeah, apparently.
Because the simulator, it popped off after 37 years, which you wanted to correct for me, which was, you said, no, they had a simulator in 2006. And then I actually looked it up, and there was a simulator in 2012 as well, right? Mm-hmm. So they've done simulators, but it has been a while. It's been, a decade or something.
Yeah. But it's nice to see other people actually figuring out the game. It's kind of rewarding in that sense that you kind of see like, oh yeah, I don't have to handle the crazy technical side of things. You can just watch it, as it is. So
yeah, no, I hear you, man. Especially from the relaxation standpoint.
You kind of take a back seat.
The relaxation standpoint, I totally hear you, man. The hum of the cabin in the plane and the dials, and I understand that, but I want to try it.
You want to try it?
I feel I want to get behind I got to give it a shot.
Okay, well.
I'm not saying I'm going to do a real-time Toronto to Tokyo.
Yeah.
But I just want to do one landing.
Okay. Yeah, we'll make it happen.
But anyways, you're not going to buy a flight stick to play this game. This game was wildly popular. They got a bunch they're pent up. The simulator guys are pent up. 8 years ago. And this one's way better. This one looks amazing. And so you got these things are selling out. All of Amazon.com's best-selling PC flight sticks. Click on that. Yeah, let's see what we can get right now. Best sellers. Top left. Let's see that guy. That's what everyone dreams of. The Thrustmaster.
Oh, yeah.
Sold out. Number one bestseller. Sold out.
Wow, look at this model name.
You will do no thrusting. You will not be a Thrustmaster for the time being. You will wait for stock to return. Okay, go back to that last page. Let's do the number 2 spot. Another Thrustmaster. Sold out. Nope. Buy it used.
Ew.
In stock used. Yikes. So they're right. These things are tough to get right now, which is weird. And maybe it's pandemic related, because if I'm Thrustmaster and I know that Flight Simulator 2020 is on the horizon, I'm ramping up production.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess maybe the demand has outpaced their expectations. It's quite possible. Now, thanks to The Verge here, we can get these things in other places other than Amazon where people went to first. You can find some of these on Best Buy as well. And Dell has some stock of the Thrustmaster equipment as well, if you want to go that route.
Great.
So there is a way to get it, but it's like webcams. Remember we were talking about webcams?
Yeah, shortage of Logitech webcams, or just all webcams?
Logitech was having a shortage. They're just the big boys.
Yeah.
In the webcam space. But yeah, people are at home. They're chilling. They got their new flight simulator. Like, a lot of this is people got time. I mean, I don't know how you're going to do Toronto to Tokyo without time. You're going to need some time. So people got time, so they pick up a Thrustmaster, a Flight Simulator 2020, or they're like Willie Doo and they just watch someone else do it. I don't know.
Yeah. Popcorn and YouTube.
This guy says that Tesla is unstoppable, but he does put a question mark. This girl, Barbara Kohlmeyer, get it straight, Lou. Get it together. Dare you. Tesla shares may be headed for $3,500, says analyst. See, this is one of those things where it's a writer who's quoting an analyst. So the analyst is a guy, but the writer is a girl. So get it together, Lou. Why don't you read it in advance? Brutal. What is this show? Horrendous. I will not stand for it.
Yeah.